Hi guys, I'm Tess, and this is It's Fine, a show where I try classic recipes for the first time. Today we're making crème brûlée, and I'm going to give you a couple quick facts about crème brûlée. Okay, France, England, and Spain all claim to be the country where it originated, which is, I don't know who's telling the truth. And then the first printed recipe for dessert called crème brûlée is from 1691, from an edition of a cookbook that I cannot pronounce because it's in French, but it was from the Palace of Versailles. So from France, I think. I think France is telling the truth. I've never made crème brûlée before. It's fine. But I think we're gonna need heavy cream, vanilla bean, egg yolks, granulated sugar, salt, turbinado sugar, and then for garnish, raspberries and mint. Okay, the recipe says to put a rack into the center of the oven. That's how the oven comes. So I'm just gonna check that it's in the middle, which it is. Then we're gonna turn it on to 325 Fahrenheit, just to clarify. Okay, next we're gonna put 3 cups of heavy cream into a heavy saucepan. That was only 2, so we're gonna add 1 more. Okay, then we're gonna add 1 vanilla bean and its seeds. We're gonna put the pod in the cream as well. And how you do that is you take a little tiny paring knife and then you cut a slit all the way through, open it up, take the back of your knife and slide through, and then you'll get those beautiful seeds. We're gonna add both the seeds and the pod. So scrape them out. I go both directions. And then put the whole pod in there at the end. Okay, so next we're gonna heat up the cream. You don't want it to get to boiling or too hot because we're gonna add it to some egg yolks after. And if you put hot cream into egg yolks, you could potentially cook your eggs, and that's not fine. That's kind of disgusting. So anyway, we're gonna put it onto the stove. Those are not the bubbles that you're looking for. Those are bubbles that I've made. But see those teensy little ones right there? That's what you're looking for. Then we're gonna need 6 egg yolks. So separate your eggs. It's fine, don't worry. It's okay, everything's fine, don't you? I like to go through my fingers, so I take an extra little bowl and just pour it through. Because I find if you do the shell thing, you can usually crack your yolks, and I don't really like that much, but it's fine. Oh no, oh my gosh, it's okay. It almost fell. Okay, once you have your egg yolks, you're gonna add in 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and then whisk that together until well combined. Okay. So now that the cream is nice and hot, look at those seeds. Doesn't it look good? I want to eat it. Okay, you're gonna slowly bring your cream into your egg yolks, and you're gonna do what's called tempering, which means you're gonna pour it in very slowly so that we don't cook the eggs, because that would not be nice. Okay, this is difficult because you're going left hand, right hand. Don't worry, it's fine. Your bowl's gonna spin, it's fine. Spin it around and add your ladle of hot cream to your eggs. Wow, look at that, spin. Last year I was in Lake Como and I went to this very tiny little restaurant, and there's this crème brûlée that was absurdly expensive and I didn't even want to get it. I was with my husband. We did get it. It was the best thing I've ever tasted. I think about it daily. It was also the first night of my trip. Nothing ever was the same. It was like creamy and the crack was perfect. So I hope that the crack today will be just as perfect as that. And this looks creamy, so I hope that'll be good. But I don't know, there's something like magical about it that was just different. I'm gonna pour all the liquid into here now, because now your eggs are a little bit warmed up, so you're not gonna cook them if you just like pour in. Still pour slowly though. Okay, actually that's a lie. I lied, it's fine, don't worry. We're gonna switch our hands. We're gonna go this way. I'm not gonna put the pot in there, but I'm gonna. It's gonna pour it. Whoa, it's fine. Just keep whisking. Go slowly. Oh my gosh, what's happening, Tess? It's okay, all's good. Look at that pour. Not very graceful. I'm kind of nervous, I'll be honest, guys. Look at all those vanilla seeds. That's what I want. Okay, the pod's still in here. We don't need that anymore. You can discard it. You see these little seeds? I want them. So I'm gonna try to scrape them out. And those are the vanilla seeds. And that's what's going to give it that like strong, yummy, delicious vanilla flavor. Your fingers, your spatula. Now we're going to put this creamy egg mixture through a fine mesh sieve into another bowl. This bowl looks a little bit petite, but it's okay. We're going to figure out if it works or not. Might overflow. It's fine. Okay, I was going to tell you about some really bad creme brulee that I've had. I'm not going to tell you where it's from because I don't want to get in trouble. But flavors are not lit. I like vanilla, just plain. I think for me, it's like a custard thing. Like a flavored custard is a no, thank you. But vanilla, okay, sure. It's texture. I think it's texture and flavor thing. No to that. The worst flavor that I've ever had is maple, which is tragic to say because maple is delicious. I love maple. But this creme brulee was not good maple creme brulee. I need my finger as a spatula, but I only have 2 hands. So I'm just going to go like this because I want to get those seeds. Whoa. Don't worry about that. It's fine. It's just a little tiny sprinkle. There we go. Now we're going to take our beautiful custard mixture and ladle it into our ramekins. Oh my goodness, that was stressful. Did I spill? I can't even see it. No, I did a wonderful job. Okay. This recipe makes 4 to 6 creme brulees, depending on the size of your ramekin. So if you have a little bit bigger, it'll make less. A little bit smaller, it'll make more. We're gonna put our perfectly ladled ramekins into this roasting pan. And then we're gonna put them into a nice little warm water bath. And then pour your hot water in. Look at how cute they look. Oh, get a little closer, Tess, you're splashing. That's what my grandma used to always say. And now I'm gonna put these little beauties into the oven. I'm gonna open the oven door first because trying to do that while handling this boiling water pot would be terrifying. Okay, gentle, slow, Tess. Okay, I did it. Oh my gosh, look, they worked. They fully set up. Okay, they look so good. I'm so excited. We're going to take them out of the fridge. If you can believe it, I made a perfect creme brulee. I don't think it's creme brulee yet, actually. I think the brulee part hasn't happened, but I've made a perfect creme. We're going to brulee it now. So what you do is you take your turbinado sugar, put a little bit on the top. I think the thing that I want the most in a creme brulee is a thin snap. I don't want it to be too thick. You know when you get them and they're like, you're trying to like chew through the sugar? No. So I thought that this is how I do it. And it's not working that good, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. No problem. We're going to go like this. I'm going to try to go as thin as I can. I think the most exciting part of the process is that I got to use this. It's scary and exciting at the same time. I think I'm just going to go for it. I hope I have enough sugar. I don't know, but it's fine. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so easy. I think you can lock this thing. Yeah, you can. Oh gosh, I'm burning it. Okay, whoa, smoke. It's okay. You go slowly along. You go slowly. You melt it. I think that's another thing that I don't like about creme brulees is when they're burnt. Because you don't want that bitter flavor from burn, you know? I think that's good. I'm calling it. We're going to add a little garnish, which is a sprig of mint. I'm going to take the top just because we're fancy. And it's not going to stick in because there's hard sugar. So remember that when you do that yourself. Oh my gosh, look at how good this looks. It's restaurant quality. Okay, well that's a creme brulee. I did it. Okay, the best part has come, and that's getting to eat this. I'm gonna take away this fanciness that we put on because I want to get that perfect sugar crack, and we don't need fancy right now. I think the best technique for the sugar crack is like, oh gosh, I'm scared that I'm gonna break the thing. Not that hard. Don't go that hard. But I think like Oh my gosh, you hear that? I think I did a really good job, I'll be honest. Okay, ready? Did you see that? I made the perfect brulee top. I can already see that it's the perfect thinness. Okay, nailed the custard. Nailed the sugar top. It's so good. It's like the perfect thinness. Hold on, look, let me show you. You see that? It's not too thick, which is exactly what I want. I'm eating more. I don't even know if I'm supposed to, but I'm going to. They've probably been making creme brulee for like 100 years. So it's not as good. But again, it's my first time trying this. But I'd say it's very close. I think I want my custard a little bit creamier. You're going to ask me how you do that. I'm going to be honest, I don't know. I think that's it though. It's very good. The sugar, phenomenal. Okay, that was a success. We made creme brulee. We did it. It's all fine. It's fine.